Alright, I have some favorites to share with you guys. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jenz BeautyStyle, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Let me know in the comments what have you been loving that you would recommend that I try. I'm going to show you skincare, makeup, both. Fragrance. Let's start with this here. I have two eyeliners here. One is the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid eyeliner. If you're new, I only use liquid eyeliner. And this one, I don't know, I enjoy using it. I'm not the best at eyeliner. It's very hard for me to get an even line at all. Straight, them looking the same, that's very hard. But I was really enjoying using this. It's really back. They don't smudge. Usually the ones that I show you on my channel, they don't smudge. You don't have to worry about like it bleeding or anything like that. This one's very good, but it started like to dry out. So today and yesterday I went back to this one. You guys know how much I have raved about this one if you've seen all the liquid liners that I have reviewed. Once I tried this one again today or yesterday, I don't know, I fell in love with this one again. I'm telling you. You guys ask me all the time, which one would you pick? Which one would you pick? It's really hard because there's many that I like, especially me because I struggle. But this one, the Hyper Easy Brush Tip Liner from Maybelline, is just so good. Now tomorrow I have a very important picture to take and I have to try and look as decent as possible, and thank God I went back to this because now for tomorrow I'm definitely gonna use this one. I just think my line came out so much better than when I was using this one. Maybe you guys received it. This is from BoxyCharm. I didn't do the BoxyCharm video because I wasn't here when I received it. I was in Florida. So when I came back, it was just like, you're not going to want to see that. So that's why I didn't show it. Sorry if you wanted to see. This is one of the items that I received. This is by insert name here. I've seen this brand so much on Instagram. I believe they do beautiful hair extensions, and when I saw this I was like, I know that name, what is this? And I was about to say I'm gonna give it on a giveaway. It's called Quick Slick Hair Essence, but I opened it and I gave it a try. It looks like this. So it's for your hair, like to tame it. You know, if you don't want any area to look flat, do not put it there or go very gently. But what I like to do, I have this piece here. My hair has broken so many times. I got a lot of breakage, but this here, I don't like this one here. So I try to like tame it for it to stay down. You know, if not, it's just gonna look horrible. But it is wet, so just let it dry. But again, your hair will not be all bouncy and fluffy wherever you apply that, right? It's to tame your hair. So I like to do that. It's like basically like hairspray in a gel form or something. But if you have any flyaways, this is perfect. I'm so glad I gave it a chance. I would love to try their extensions one day, but I'm not that good at applying them anyway. Here from Benefit. This is a small one. I don't know if I mentioned it already in one of my favorites, but this is the Benefit Professional Super Setter. This is a little size. I would love to refill this if it's not with the same product, with something else, but it's nice that you can open it and fill it back up. I used this while I was on vacation. You just spray it and it helps your makeup stay put, especially if you're in really bad heat. Does it help with the mask for it not to come off? No, I don't think anything does. If you have oily skin and you're trying your best for your face to stay put with makeup, give that a try. It didn't break me out. I didn't feel itchy. It doesn't have a scent or anything. And you can try and see if you find a mini version. Okay, I believe this was it? No, if it's this small, it had to be an Ipsy. So yeah, I don't think I'm getting Ipsy this month. this is something else I tried. I did a video if you want to see what it looks like. All right, I reviewed it, tried it on, swatched it, everything. This is by the brand Real Her. It's the newest foundation that I have tried recently, and this is I Am Divine. This is the Powerwear Probiotic Foundation Blue Light Technology. The brand is Real Her. You may have heard of them from, maybe you got it in Ipsy, maybe you got it in BoxyCharm, or maybe you just got it from their website. I got this, they did send this to me a while now, and I tried it, and thank God the shade was such a good match. You have to see and tell me what you think if you watch that video. It looked really nice on the skin. Don't take my word for it. You go check out the video, tell me what you think. Would you purchase this? I think they're selling it in Macy's. I'm not sure if the foundation, but I saw this brand at Macy's. So I'm just saying. I will try to list as much as I can from here down below. I always try to do that. So always check the description. Click on check more, see more, show more, whatever it is now. And you will see the products listed. Right? But this is very nice. And I like the packaging. Comes with a pump. I always love a pump. It didn't break me out. This is made in Korea. A little goes a long way. You know, a lot of people that I meet that have my same oily skin, they're just like, oh, I would love to wear SPF, but I can't. My face looks more oily, more white, this, that. So I always advise to use this, and this is a brand new one that I bought. This lasts me so long, guys, so long. Like, SPF is a must for me. This is the Clinique Broad Spectrum SPF 50 sunscreen with Solar Smart UVA UVB protection. This is the body cream. They also have the face cream. I've used both. I do not see a difference in them. If there is, I don't know. It has worked beautifully for me, but I'd rather buy this big size than the small one, and I'm pretty sure the small one is much more expensive if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I looked at the back. I see everything the same. This is oil-free, non-acnegenic, appropriate for sensitive skin, allergy tested, fragrance-free. Love this. My skin gets so clogged. This does not clog my skin. I put my moisturizer, then I put this, and then I go ahead with my makeup. I also have SPF, that spray versions. I use both sometimes, but try this out if you have oily skin. Definitely try this out. You spread it well. Your face does not look white. Just spread it well. Some are really hard to spread out. Not this one. Before YouTube, I only used to use one, which was also by Clinique, the Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Make sure if you have oily skin, you use the gel. They do have a lotion, a jelly, all different versions now. But I used to use the gel. I still have it. Since I use this one, I've been obsessed with this one. There's many that I have finished already by other brands, but this is the one I have right now, and I love it. This is by Glow Recipe. It's the banana souffle, calming, hydrating. It doesn't leave my skin oily. It doesn't even have a fragrance, really. Yeah, I love that it comes in this little round jar. Yellow, I think, is the most beautifulest thing ever. I don't know, I just love glass. It works great. It really works great, and it helps my foundation just glide evenly. It's a moisturizer that I've been using. Also received it in BoxyCharm. It was like the most expensive item from, was it last month? And I really like this. Why? Because again, if you have oily skin, go with gels. This is a gel. I never heard of this brand. If you want to see everything I've gotten in BoxyCharm, you can type BoxyCharm on my channel. I have a full playlist. I have them all on a playlist, alright? But this is really good. I put it every night before I go to sleep. Sometimes I use this, sometimes I use serums. I just have several things that I have to go through and try. So it depends what I have closest to me, really. So I just take it with my finger and put it over my forehead. That's like my safe spot. Here I'm scared to break out, but I haven't. And then I also put it in this area. Can't forget, okay? See the signs of aging there really quick too. This is from Glam Glow. Is the Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. I'm telling you, I love this stuff so much. It's like, is it charcoal? I'm pretty sure this was charcoal. Is it? Please tell me it is. Okay, triple charcoal complex. When I went to Florida, I took my travel size products and I made sure to squeeze some of this so I can take in my little bottle, and that's why it's almost gone. I just love the smell of this like in the morning, and it feels refreshing on your skin. Like you feel it, like if there was some peppermint in there or something there. Let's see. I can't see here, but there's something that feels so refreshing, and in the morning when I wake up and I use this in the shower, like I need that, and I love that sensation. No, my face doesn't stay feeling super dry, like about to crack, or oily. No residue, so I really like that. Have my very trusted Mario Badescu drying lotion. I know they sell this in the glass version, plastic version as well. I always have to have a bottle of these when I have a breakout like here. I don't know why I was messing with my face yesterday. Like I mentioned, tomorrow I have to take a picture, and now I'm gonna have this. Why? Because I decided to do a facial at home yesterday. I'm gonna make sure to apply this in the night. Hopefully that goes down a little. That's because I didn't squeeze it properly. I was just trying to clean my skin. But yeah, you just take a Q-tip all the way down. Do not shake this bottle. There's so many brands that did it after Mario Badescu came out with this. I stick to my Mario Badescu one. I have tried another brand, but I love that one. It really dries out your acne like this in the nighttime, because you will have pink spots everywhere. Of all the perfumes that I've gotten, I really like this one. Some people would say it's more like of a summer scent. If you stick to that, then yeah, this is more of a summer scent. I see it more like of a fresh scent. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna put. I don't want to smell too sweet, too flowery to this, so I stick to this. Going out somewhere, nothing too like impressive, just want to feel fresh and clean, put this. This is the Versace Dylan perfume. I know they just came out with one called like turquoise or something, but this is really good. Like if you like that fresh, clean, bit of citrusy scent, go with that one. No, I keep saying I'm gonna do a perfume video. I know how much you guys love that one. I just have to get all my perfumes together. Definitely now that all the holiday season is coming, I know you guys want like maybe to put on your wish list or for gifts, so let me know if you're interested in that. Oh, let me know your suggestions. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.